In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Notifications. Then click on App Notifications and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable them. In my case, Call of Duty. As you can see, after that, all notifications from Call of Duty are disabled. In order to enable them, click on the same switcher. If you want to, you can always select one of your apps over here and manage all notifications by tapping on this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!